Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to tweet GIF. Let's begin. Firstly, open your Twitter app, then tap on the plus icon. There you can see the option of post. Tap on it. Over here you can see the option of image, GIF. Tap on GIF. Here you can see the GIFs. Here you can see the option of GIFs. You can type, you can post, you can select any of the GIF, and then you can say you can post it. And then like this, you can comment, you can add anything, everyone can reply who can name. Here you can see yay, and yeah, you can add GIFs like this. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.